Hi there, Paul here. Now you've taken a nice video and you want to change the background, maybe to make it more dramatic or to remove unwanted video background or just to make it funny. Now I'm gonna show you 5 tools over the internet, free tools that will help you to remove video background. So stay along, stay with me till the end and see what software are. The first one is Pro. Second one is removebackground.net. Then you have number 3, which is called unscreen.com. Then you have number 4, removeit.io. Then the last one is bigram.delvin.com. All of these, all you need to do is just go to these sites, upload your video, then it will take a few seconds. You have to use the internet, then you just download a video that has no background, then you can replace it with another background. Some of these apps also offer copyright videos that you can upload and change your video background. See you in the next video.